Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you're going to learn how to hide your photos on Facebook. Okay, so there are two options that you must know right now. Obviously, if you go to your profile and if you scroll down to look for like a picture or something, you can click on the three dots on top of your post, and here you're going to have different options. Obviously, if you edit the privacy of this post, you're going to have the option to see this photo just by yourself. Okay, you can share it like with the public, with friends, and only me. This is the last option with the padlock. Okay, and the second option that you must know is that if you go to the homepage and tap on the hamburger menu, and if you scroll down a little and go to settings and privacy, now settings, and now profile settings, here in privacy the second option says profile and tagging. This is important too, because in tagging there is an option that says who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile. So if you click on it, there are going to be different options like everyone, friends, and if you tap on see more, there is going to be also that option, only me, with the padlock. And that's it. That's how you can hide your photos on Facebook.